Interesting! Alright, you guys, so I'm going to describe this little thing here for the cards. Gather around for the cards.
Alright, children,
gather around for the cards. There is one detective, 6 innocents. Okay, there's 1 detective, 6 innocents, and 2 traitors. I'm going to shuffle this pack of cards here. If you pull the face card, a king, you are the detective. Everybody knows that you're an innocent, and you have 2 things you can do. You can ask a dead person if they are either an innocent or a traitor, and you can ask a dead person who the last person that they saw was. If you pull a red card, you are a traitor. Don't tell anybody what you get, aside from the detective. Your goal is to kill everybody else. And if all the innocents kill all of the traitors, the innocents win. If you get a black card, but any just number card, you are an innocent. Alright, pick 1 card.
Yes.
Yagi.
Pick 1 card and do not show it to anybody.
Hey, drop face down, it's good.
Good. Pick 1 card. Alright, that's good. Alright, I gotta count myself too. Jeez. I'm just gonna grab a random card out of here.
Hiding behind cover.
Yeah, I got you.
Okay. Everybody puts their arm out. What we're gonna do is we're all gonna close our eyes. When I say those who are traitors will raise their thumb and open their eyes and look at each other. That way you know who's who. So everybody, close your eyes, arms out. Traitors, raise your thumb and look at each other. Open your eyes, whoever the traitor is.
Yep.
Shoot the little kid.
Alright, everybody put your arm back down. Open your eyes.
Yeah, so who's the detective?
Who's the, okay, so everybody knows that she's the detective, she's an innocent, you can trust her. Since I'm counting myself as well, there'll be 3 traitors in this match.
So you're a traitor?
No, I'm not a traitor. I'm totally not a traitor. And this is her detective card. Disperse! It's okay. Here. I'm totally sweet and innocent. I will hang out with you because I know I can trust you.
You're not a traitor?
I know, I'm totally not a traitor.
No.
No, I'm not a traitor. I'm innocent.
He showed me a video and there's a lot of people who lie.
Oh yeah, you can lie. But if the detective asks if you are an innocent or a traitor when you are dead, you have to be truthful.
But you're not a traitor, like tell me the truth, right?
I'm innocent. Yes.
Okay, this is my first game, okay?
It's okay.
So
Lots of people will be. This
and
is
I'm really bad, so be nice.
all right. Where is everybody?
John Luke.
Oh jeez. Just try to be more careful around the cars. You guys ready? All right, start. Wait, whoa. Are you innocent?
Yes.
Okay. Ow, hit!
He didn't hit me.
And you can ask a dead person if they are an innocent or traitor. I'm dead now. So now you could actually ask me. I was totally a traitor.
Are you going to kill me?
Oh, and I already got killed. He ran up and shot me.
Would you kill me?
I'm dead. I'm just gonna lay down. I'm dead. I'm dead. Didn't even get to fire a shot. It's okay, Masada. We'll get some traitor meat. I gotta take a nap. I just wanted to move so I'm not sitting somewhere wet. I don't know. You were a traitor? You were a traitor? Yeah, so was I. You shot me. I was the 3rd traitor.
There were 3 traitors?
I even held my thumb up.
I didn't see your
Why you gotta do this to me, bro? Oh, there. Standing up here. Yeah, next time. Dick.
You know what? This round is taking too long.
Shoot yourself. But Dad said if you want to make things go faster, just walk up and kill somebody. Works every time. That's weird. Looked at Berg and thought he was gonna bang him for a second.
Yeah, that's hiding behind the.
I think Hadass is the traitor.
Tiny Tuba's being ganged up on.
Dead.
No, I know that.
Are you dead?
I'll have to say, whoever is the last traitor is being super sneaky about it.
When in doubt, shoot them all. Which one of you was the T?
Xavier, were you shot last?
No, I
I was shot last.
No.
I
Hi, buddy.
Which one was the T?
Him.
All right, everybody pass the cards back in.
Give cards back, everybody.
Must reach in my sexual pouch.
It's not a very sexual pouch.
Okay, no, it's only for Zach.
Shot me.
One of you.
He's so little, I don't want to shoot.
All right, everybody pick one card. If you not show it to anybody, take it face down.
Traitor.
Admin Broom's X-ray. He knows how it hurts.
Oh, that was two. That was two. One. Okay, check your card. Put it away, hide it. All right, everybody circle. Put your arms out. Put your arms out. Eyes closed. Traitors, raise your thumbs. Open your eyes and look at each other. Figure out who you are. Make sure you're not going to shoot them this time. All right, once you got everybody figured out, you can close your eyes again. Put your thumbs down. Arms down. Open your eyes. And scatter. Who is the detective? You are? All right. So now we all know that she is innocent.
Okay, so we can trust that.
We can trust her completely. I'm only going over here.
Who's the detective? Okay.
Okay. I'm completely innocent. This time I'm not lying. You know, I'm actually going to go somewhere else where I'm not going to get shot in the back by somebody. This is way too many people over here.
Are you sure you're not lying?
I'm absolutely sure that I'm not lying. Last time I did, this time I'm not. Always sweet and innocent, hiding in a shed. I just want my back covered. Everybody ready? Yeah. Go!
Okay, no one's dead yet. We're off to a good start. No one's shot yet.
And you're just sitting there on your perch. You got the friggin' flaps too. Actually, that's on semi. Actually, no, that's on safe. My gun's down. My gun is down. My gun's down. It's on safe. It's on safe. Yes, it is.
Hang on, can I knife with a mag?
Yeah.
If you don't have a knife, you can use like a mag or something, or even like your hand to like touch their shoulder.
You just be like, your knife.
I use my speed loader.
Got 4 at once.
Yeah.
That's with that.
If you need to knife somebody, you can just tap their shoulder or arm or whatnot.
There was 4 innocents. They were all in a row. They were all on each other's shoulders. Ferg and Zach and Richard and a bunch. And so I walked up behind him. I was just like, knife. Oh, you are dead.
Yeah.
Are we playing?
Oh yeah, we're playing.
We're going.
Game's on. Hey, he's moving around over here. Hey. Gun down.
That's some suspicious activity.
That's super shady right there. Gun down.
What's the chances Berg gets it twice?
Wait, what? What are the odds?
Shady Berg.
Probably not.
I'm just gonna raise my gun up just in case. Who got shot?
No one got shot. Steve's scared.
Oh, scared her. Okay.
Yeah, just scared her.
Okay.
Walked up, hey, what's going on?
Oh, God.
Oh, the trench coats are flat.
I'm watching you. I'm totally innocent. I'm watching you.
The Spanish Inquisition.
Okay.
Random shit.
Yeah, random shit during games. Always good.
Oh, I thought Nat was skiing. I'm like, really?
It's like, really? Beside me? I should bring one of my banger grenades.
Hey, Ken's was looking pretty suspicious behind you there, bud.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm worried about. Stop! Traitor! The detective demands it.
I know, I'm innocent, so I could shoot you right now if I wanted to if I was a traitor, but I'm not because I'm totally innocent.
That's fine.
Now you're making me even more suspicious now. Motherfucker! Traitor!
Get melee! This is my melee one. I'm not gonna shoot you.
Oh, we got people on the side over here now.
Look at her, just sitting there. Yeah!
She's the detective! She's the one person you can trust!
If it was a red cape,
I'm keeping my back to you. Nope, guns down.
Hey, no. Get away from me. Now.
there's as well as the detective.
I know there's one person I can have my back. Okay,
Dice, I got you back.
I'm innocent.
I don't like your lies.
I'm not lying.
Yeah, me too. Want me to make one? No. Back up.
Can you silent kill
Are allowed to shoot.
Yes. By either knifing them with something, tapping them on the shoulder, this counts as a knife kill.
Bouncing shots. Oh yeah, daddy.
Now you can just like tap them on the shoulder.
Special bouncing shots. Shoot me. Yeah. Didn't hit. Yeah, it did. I watched it hit you. Like right in the right in the vest.
You two over there sound like you're planning something.
One person was just shot. Yeah, you're down.
Uh-huh. Sure.
Yes, I go find out.
That's how you ruined the shots. I had all the reason to shoot him. That's something a traitor.
John Luke, are you innocent?
Yes.
Are you being truthful?
Who's shooting? Hey! Traitorous swine! Fucking traitors!
Oh.
You alright?
I erupted it all.
One of the traitors. The traitors win. Here, game's over. He did get a 2 in a row.
I have.
Shady motherfucker.
I told you. What's the chance?
What's the chance?
It's like, what's the
Well, we know who our
chance?
resident
Fergus.
terror.
Resident
We know who our resident traitor is now.
And it was.